Um, my name is Dr. Rudresha. Look at here the refrigeration and air conditioning objective type question. This is depending on vapor compression refrigeration system that will be written here VCRS cycle. That is name is VCRS cycle, vapor compression refrigeration system. Look at here the first question. The coefficient of performance of vapor compression refrigeration system is good as compared to the air refrigeration system. What is question you asking in the university examinations? Is asking the coefficient of performance of vapor compression refrigeration system is compared to the air compression refrigeration system. Which one you have will be more compression is there, more performance is there, more COP coefficient of performance is there. COP. What is meaning by COP? Coefficient of performance. See, always you have using in vapor compression refrigeration system some refrigerant either in R11, R12, in environmental friendly refrigerant R134A. But when you're talking about in the place of air refrigerant, just are using in the air refrigerant, most of the cases you are using in the ship, but you have always in vapor compression refrigerant is more. Okay, this is I. This answer is I. The first one answer is I. During a refrigerant cycle, heat rejected by the refrigerant in a during the refrigerant cycle, there are four components there in the refrigerant cycle. One is compressor, another one is condenser, another one is evaporator. In between condenser and evaporator to control by the expansion device. This expansion devices during a refrigeration cycle, heat rejected by the refrigerated in a first one is compressor, second one is condenser, third one is evaporator, and fourth one is the expansion valve. Look at here, the first one, which place heat will be rejected. Look at here, compressor will be compress the air from the refrigerant. Once compress the air, always in the low pressure to high pressure will be increases. Then will be condenser. See here, in the condenser section, heat will be rejecting. Okay, how to heat will be rejected? There are two types of condenser is there. One is air cooled condenser, another one is water cooled condenser. In air cooled condenser, by using the air medium to reject the air in environment, but in water cooled condenser in heavy duty, always using the water cooled condenser. This answer is condenser. The second one is answer. Heat will be rejected from the condenser, and evaporator heat will be absorbing. Whatever heat is there in your things, that heat will be absorbing. That is there in the evaporator, and then will be expansion devices. See here, the answer of second one is the condenser. The third question, the VCRS cycle, the condition of the refrigerant before entering the compressor is, see, the vapor compression refrigeration system, the condition of the condition of the refrigerant before entering the compressor, saturated liquid, wet vapor, dry saturated liquid, and superheated vapor. See, once reach you have any compressor, there is single stage compressor is there and multi stage compressor is there. In single stage compressor, once the compressor you have will be atmospheric pressure. Once atmospheric pressure entering into the compressor, then will be compressed the air will be high. It's still 5 bar. Always low compressor to high compressor. That is calling about superheated vapor. There are superheated vapor form is there. See the fourth one, the highest temperature during the cycle in a vapor compression refrigeration system occurs. See the highest temperature during the cycle, the vapor in a vapor compression refrigeration system. First one is compressor, second one is condensation, expansion, and fourth one is evaporation. See here, the fourth one, the answer is compressor. See the fourth one, answer is compressor. See here, fifth, in a VCR cycle, the lowest temperature during the cycle occurs after. See in a VCR cycle, lowest temperature during the cycle occurs. See here, in a vapor compression refrigeration system, the lowest temperature. The lowest temperature, first one is the compression, second one is the condensation, third one is expansion and evaporation. See, in a VCRS cycle, the lowest temperature during the cycle, this is the evaporation. In a VCRS cycle, lowest temperature during the cycle, that is in the evaporation cycle. Evaporation cycle, in the refrigerant portion, it goes to the freezing point. Thank you. This 5 question is very important for your competitive exams.